Welcome to Arctic Elements! We're your hosts,
Professor Amy
and Professor Emily.
Last week we had a question of the week, which was, what is the center of gravity?
Let's move. Center of gravity is a point from which the weight
is the amount or quantity of heaviness and amount of a thing weighs.
of a body or system that can be considered to act.
We need to get used to that.
Let's head to our science
Welcome
game
to the Science Game Show. Here are our contestants. Where are they now? Where were you guys?
We wanted to make a great entry.
Did we succeed?
Yeah.
Yes, you
Yes.
did.
Yes.
Okay, ready?
Welcome to the Science Game Show.
Take two.
Okay, for your first question, an object's stability is greater if A, its mass is greater, B, its space is larger, or C, its center of gravity is lower.
Lily,
B.
Hendrik.
A.
The correct answer is B. Good job, Lily. Its base is larger.
Your second question, what is equilibrium? Okay, no one knows. Emily, what's the answer?
The correct answer is this equilibrium is the state of a body or physical system at rest.
What is the center of area?
It is the center of gravity projected onto the surface of an object.
That is correct, Hendrik. Well done. That's it for the Science Game Show.
Here's an experiment that our scientists will take you through step by step.
We'll use one of these base plates as the object of which we would like to determine the center of gravity. It should hang freely without hitting anything. See how it's hanging down here? If you would ever want to do this project, which I doubt you'd have the pieces, but you would have this down here and it's hanging, and then it won't mess up. In reality, what we have determined with our locator is the center of gravity on the object's surface.
Also known as center of area.
In order to determine how deep the actual center of gravity lies within the three-dimensional object.
We would need a more precise operation in the case of the plait of the rod.
This three-dimensional center would be about halfway through the object at the spot beneath its center of area. Center of area. The center of area is the center of gravity projected into the surface of an object.
Today's experiment we call
the center of gravity locator.
It's tricky to try and sit on top of a large ball.
But it's easy to keep your balance while sitting on a large box. There are three ways a body can be in equilibrium.
Equilibrium is the state of a body or physical system at rest. Its state of equilibrium at any given moment depends on what would happen if it were to be moved.
If its center of gravity would rise, then its equilibrium would be stable.
But if it were to drop, then it would be unstable.
Wobbly.
If its center of gravity remains at the same level when an object is moved, then its state of equilibrium is said to be indifferent.
What is a body stable?
That's a good question, scientist Hendrik. A body is stable if its center of gravity is located vertically.
Which is up and down.
Correct. Above its base of support, then it is in a stable state of equilibrium.
Imagine a car. Its base is the bottom part of the car. A car will be most stable as it steers through a sharp turn when its center of gravity is low as possible and its wheels are as wide as possible.
We have 2 questions of the week, which are,
Which is faster, a bicyclist or a blue whale? And what is speed?
comment down below and give us your answer.
Always remember, smart is the new cool.
Bye.
Bye.